Few of them. Why?
No, we are just changing and trying some
Change
explains.
and try. See, if a student will say, Sir, I am getting time for everything except study, will it work? You only tell now.
No, no,
So,
I'm just changing some scenarios and testing.
so change. Good. I am very much happy that you are changing and you are doing really appreciating. But at least the day, how much concept I am telling, same day you finish it, so that
Yeah,
you will not lag in the class. Okay?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, but good that you are changing and doing scenario. It's good habit. I'm very much happy.
Thank you.
Yeah, but parallelly you should be there with the class also. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, today what we are going to see? Parameterized constructor. How to initialize the class members with parameterized constructor. Is it okay, guys?
Yes.
Yesterday we have seen this on. The study we'll see. Here we have seen this. These notes also you people try.
So please don't forget to share screen.
Yeah, I've shared again. It gone. It's there only. Don't worry. This is what. Can you see my screen now? Are you able to
Not
see
yet.
my screen?
Not
No.
yet.
Okay. Now let me share one more. Now are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So here yesterday we have seen types of constructor. So default constructor already we have covered. Now parameterized constructor also we covered, but we have not seen the uses of parameterized constructor, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And what is the use of constructor? You all know that. What is the use of constructor?
To initialize the members of the class.
Tell me. To
Initialize
class.
class members.
Yes. To initialize the class members. Parameterized constructor will also do the same job. But what's the difference? In default constructor, you have to give the value. But parameterized constructor, we can pass the value as a argument. Correct? In argumented constructor, we can pass the value as a argument. 10, 20 I am passing. And here we can write a constructor. It will store that value. This is an argumented constructor, correct? Argumented or parameterized constructor means constructor with argument. So this is this is called argument. Anything inside this bracket is called argument or parameter. Actually, while calling, it's called actual parameters. And when it's called, when you are defining that, there we can say formal parameters. Different names are there. Same thing. Simply, this is argument. Here you have to define a constructor. You must define constructor inside the class. If you are not defining, then you will get an error. In case of default constructor, whether you define or don't define, you don't have problem. We will not have any issue. In case of default constructor, we will not have any issue. But in case of parameterized constructor, you must define this type of constructor inside the class. Are you getting? These things we have seen yesterday, right? Not getting or getting?
Yes.
And
This we have done yesterday, right? Yeah.
yeah, so quick one. So if you don't, obviously, how do I put it? So if you don't define the variables under the class person, and when creating the actual constructor and you pass those arguments, I think it will give an error because it will not. It will give an error, right? The fact that you do not have those variables actually defined under the class of the person, and yet you pass them on the arguments when creating the constructor.
Okay. So let's see that. Good question. We'll see this, Bonnie. Just in 5 minutes, we'll resolve this issue and we can do that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone? Other question? So first of all, if you will save this argumented constructors.java. So first of all, you must define this constructor inside the class. What is constructor? Constructor is a special method which name is always same as class name. Yes. So here 1020 is there. To store this 10, you should write one same type of variable. You should define. So you can write anything here. Let's say here I am writing age 1. This is name 1. And here I will write name equal to something Java or something Isha. So here a string, because second argument is a type of string. So I will declare one variable, any variable name you can give. So this will help you to store 10. This will help you to store Isha. Now here you write, sorry, first of all check this value is correct or not. So you can write it here. That's why stm system dot out dot println, and here you write age equal to age 1 plus name 1 equal to name 1. Just see whether the value is coming. And guys, today we'll save this program. Control A. Control is, let me save this in different file. Oh my God. Just say here file save as. Where is that save as? Okay. So yours is 8 AM batch, no? Yeah. I will create today parameterized construct. Here. Dot Java. This parameterized. Yeah. So now go and execute this. 8 AM. So here Java C. What is the class name? Argumented something. No? Yeah. So we do not have any error. Java argumented. And see, we are getting is stem and name Isa. I should write actually H1. Yeah. So I am getting 10, and if you'll see here, you'll see here, I'm getting the same output, whatever. Is equal to 10 and Isa equal to something. Right. This I have to close. Here you see. M and name equal to Isha. Right, name 1 equal to Isha. So 10 is coming to age 1, Isha is coming to name 1. Now I want to assign this class variable age and name with constructor value age 1 and name 1. So can we do that? Let's try. This is and now I am trying to initialize this class variable age with constructor value age 1. I'm trying to assign the class name with constructor value name 1 and then try to print the value of person, age and name.
Sir, can I ask one question? When
Hmm.
we need this parameterized constructor,
Okay.
what is the real time use?
Wait, let me some background noise are there. Let me. So first of all, you should know how to update the class variable. Can you update the class variable with default constructor with different set of parameters?
No, sir.
Here, as per our requirement, let's say if you want to store 100 students records, age and name, or 100% person, there is a college in that you want to admit 100 students. So how you will store? Every student will have different age and different names, correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I will write it here, age equal to 10, then always for every student age will be 10, correct?
Yes, sir.
If I will name equal to, let's say, XYZ. So for all student name, 100 students, name will be always XYZ. It means any person who will go to that college, his name and age will be fixed. Neither he can grow or nor he can die. Age name will be fixed. So practically, can we do like that? Practically,
No, sir, it's not effective.
we cannot do. But yes, the question you asked, people asked me why we use parameterized constructor. If you are uh, aware of Selenium or any tool, you will see these tools have thousands of parameterized constructors, thousands of methods with arguments, overloaded methods. So finally, parameterized constructor will help you. Parameterized constructor will help you to set different values to the class variable as per your requirement. Here you can keep on passing different values, different age and name of the person, and you can store multiple persons with different age and name. That's why we are not assigning here. That's why as a programmer, you just declare variable later based on the uses. Let's say age and name. Sometime while writing a program, you do not want to use that. You want to make it as a 0 only. You do not want, or you want to play this age with some other value. Age plus 30, you want to add something like that. So parameterized constructor will help you to initialize the class variable with different set of values. Understood? Now if you say, if you know little bit Selenium, then if you want to initialize web driver with Chrome browser, same time, and you want to pass one web element. So one constructor, you can create an instance web driver equal to new Chrome driver. In one method you can create, and whenever you will use the create an object of the class, that time only here you can pass the web driver you can pass, and web element you can pass. Again, you want to use Chrome Firefox driver you can pass. Here you can pass the value of that web element where you want to perform the action. You have a two classes. So now real use, if you want to understand, and if I will try to make you understand, then real use you cannot understand. If I will take the example of tools and all, because you don't know that tools. That is a real use. I can't give you vague answer, but theoretically, logically, this is the answer. If I want to set the age and name with different set of parameters, different set of values, parameterization I want to store 100 age and name, 100 age and name, then a parameterized constructor is very much helpful. We will not give any value variable, will not assign anything to age and name, but we keep on assigning with different set of values to age and name by creating different object, multiple object of same class with different reference variable and pass different set of parameters. Is it clear? Is it clear whom has asked? Why or silent? Tell yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah, I have a question now. Say, for example, if I want to store 100 variables, okay, then do I need to
100
create
variables or 100 values?
100 values? Sorry. For if I want to store 100 values, then do I need to create object for 100 times? Say, for example, in a class, if there are 10 students, so if I want to create another value, so should I create one more object person st1 equal to new person of 20 something?
Yes, if you are using constructor, then you have to use. If you are using a constructor, then you have to use. But same thing you can do, you can write all this data in one Excel file, and in constructor you can give the path of that. Right? So only one constructor will create 100 records. Are you getting what I mean to say? Generally, till now, how much your understanding is there, how much your studies, you will think, hey, you have to create 100 constructor. What is the use of professional programming? But as per understanding now, how much you understand, yes, we have to create 100 constructor. But with one constructor only, I can create 100 student. How? Just store all 100 students in Excel, age and name, whatever, email ID, whatever, not 100,000 you store. Simply, I will give the path of the Excel. It will create 100 students in one line. So we should not rigid at a specific point. Uses will come as per the application's behavior. It will keep on changing. And user application doesn't mean that, okay, constructor I am reading means with that only I have to do. We will do. But do you know how to read Excel now? No. How to write Excel? No. But yes, your mind is open here. Okay, with constructor, we can set multiple. At the time of loading the class only, we can set the data with different set of values. Yeah. So when we will use Java with Selenium or rest assured, oh, through constructor, we can initialize. We can give the path of this one. Simple use will not come. Are you getting? What is my intention? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't get, then ask in another way. I will reply you again. So people before concept only, they wanted to know the real use of that. First of all, there is some pattern. You have to understand the basic thing first. Then we can understand the real scenario. I will give that many examples. You people will get tired. At that time, you will forget constructor. Oh, then okay, parameterize constructor. Oh. So first, create a template, a skeleton of your understanding. Later, you try to put or try to keep on inserting the elements inside the skeleton. Yeah, really, real uses are there. That's why this concept have been developed. Same with same constructor, someone will develop a big software. With same constructor, someone will develop a very small software. With same constructor, they will write thousands pieces of code to validate the application. Automation tester, same constructor, right? Here in argument, you can pass the path of a file, sheet name you can pass, right? Or sometimes you can pass from which row you want to, row number 60, you want to read the data. You can pass the row number here. You should pass your column number in the constructor. All are real uses only. But for that, you have to learn how to read data. And there, constructor means it will not use alone. Mixture of so many things will be used. Now, till here, you should understand, okay, constructor is there. So you should ask question, hey, sir, in method also we can update the value, na? In method also we can pass the argument and we can update the class variable. Why we are using in class constructor only? Here also I can write, no? What is the problem? Int x string y. And here I can pass the value. With this also I can do it. Right? With this also, I can update this value. Why you are writing inside constructor only? You are trying to update with constructor. What's the difference? Tell me. Now, this answer you should tell because you know this. I thought.
Yeah, in this case, we don't need to explicitly call that method.
Sorry. I am sorry. Please repeat once again.
Now, if you're using in the constructor, we don't need to call that constructor explicitly. If you are
Correct.
setting in the method, we have to call that explicitly.
Yeah, correct. One answer at least till teaching how much I taught you one told, but you can elaborate more. One more thing I thought. Constructor when it will get executed?
As soon as
When the
when
object
The
object
time
is
of
created,
object creation.
If you will create object, what will happen?
the constructor will be automatically called. We no need to explicitly call
Now you are
that.
telling the process, but you are not telling the engine. One thing you are missing, you people. I told to remember one word.
Variable will initialize
Hey, loading.
load.
Unloading of the class. Loading means initialization, assignment, everything. Now open my. Loading means initialization, assignment, everything. This full class will load in the memory, means age will also go, name will also go, everything will go in the memory and everything will get initialized, na? So creating object means loading the class. So you can say at the time of loading the class only, because constructor will get invoked by the JVM at the time of loading the class only. So this all data, age and name will get initialized with the constructor value. Later you call method with reference variable and all. Getting?
yes.
So theory part, you people are taking this one line is very much precious and matchless. See, I have studied 10 years. Then I am able to write in 20 lines all the concept. This 21 line means a lot. So whenever you create an object of the class, see why I am writing this. At same time, constructor gets executed. And loading and unloading, I have used so many times in a program. Okay, so always remember loading and unloading. Okay, so at the time of loading the class only, loading the class means creating the object. Creating the object means loading the class. So whenever you will create an object, class will get loaded. And same time constructor will get invoked by the JVM. So while loading only, when class will load it, when you are writing this statement, Java, here JVM starts loading the class actually, here. Here JVM, here just compiling. But here JVM starts loading the class, argument constructor class. So while loading only, constructor is also getting initialized, not methods, constructor. This age and name will get initialized later. This study will get initialized later. But this constructor is going along with this class. Initialization is happening at the time of loading only. So at the time of loading only, if you will initialize this age and name, same value will be alive throughout the program. In a study method also, this age name value will not be 0 and null, will be the value with whatever you are assigning here. Now understood? Now you try after initializing. Remove this all. Let's see. Bonnie, your answer is here. Can you see that? Bonnie, are you there? You have asked
Yes,
this
sir.
question 10-15 minutes back.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear now? Not clear, then again I am saying. Left side age is a this class variable. Left side name means this class variable. Right side age 1 means this is through constructor whatever you are passing. So age 1 is containing 10. You will see top 10 is coming to age 1. Isha is coming to name 1. So this 10 will get assigned to age. Isha will get assigned to name. And my class variable will get assigned with 10 and age, 10 and Isha. And the study method, also you see, I have not initialized, but 10 Isha is the value.
Yeah, it's clear.
Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So be patient. In between, if you are asking uses, then it will take time to mature your mind. How much scenario you will do, that much understanding will. Yes, any question? People, any question you have, please ask me. Other, don't hesitate to ask question. But parallelly, you should be patient also, little bit. First day you were not knowing the name, like how we are accessing. You were not knowing at least main method. Now you are at least able to, you should able to understand this much at least. At least this much. Okay, main is a method name. Void is a something type, keyword. And this is the argument. You can understand, okay, this is the class name. It is a user defined. You can understand, oh, st is a reference variable, right? It is holding the address always. So time will come. Now today in morning where someone asked, "Hey, can you tell me what is immutable?" Hey guys, you people are attending interview and asking question in between. I am not here to answer your question, whatever asked in the interview, the string mutable, immutability concept I will teach you at the end. Now you are asking. So you decide which one you want. You want answer, I will give you, but you will not understand. So now this much you understand or not, tell me. This you understood or not? In this you have any question, please let me. Please don't feel bad. This is practical. Honestly, I'm saying. You should set your mind for some specific time, and
Sir,
after that, automatically this will come. Yes, please
sir,
ask.
after initializing, age one will come or age will come?
After,
System
I
after
am
initializing.
writing age one, name one. A good question. I have written age one and name one. 10 site is giving. I should write age name. Correct?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't panic. Nothing will happen. There is no earthquake. Here we can get the result. But see, you will be getting 10 ISA or 0 and null. Save this program. So here what value we will get? 0 null or 10 ISA?
10 is
10
Now see the magic.
Finish.
Just see the magic here. So our class variable gets initialized with constructor. So how can you say this programmatically? If you are developing a framework, no, that time they will ask, hey, initialize the class variable with constructor age and name. They will ask like, initialize the class person age and name with constructor age and name. Because of that reason, this kind of parameterized constructor is very, very much important. I'm writing top of this the comment. Initializing the class age and name with constructor age and name. Are you clear this statement? Are you clear this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So left side is a class variable. Because from here, age, which one is having current age variable? See, this is constructor is also a method, right? It is a special method. It is a special method, but it is a method. And what is the behavior of method? Methods are used to access the class variable. This is pure method. It name can be anything, but this name will always same as constructor name. But somehow it is a method. So what is the use of method? Methods are used to access the class variable. So from here, from this context, where is the age? Age is here. From here, where is the name? Name is here. So left side will be class variable, right side will be whatever value you are writing from constructor. This is the nearest variable. Left side nearest variable is and name. Now here if you will write age 1 and name 1, then value will be same. Age 1 means this one here it will locate. Name 1 means here it will locate. Okay. So age name I am writing. Age name means this age. Name means this name. So to segregate this, actually, practically in your framework, scenario will not be like this. Scenario will be initializing the class age and name with constructor age and name. Means here also the value variable will be age. Here also the variable will be name. Then how can you differentiate? If I will write age equal to age, name equal to name, you cannot differentiate. Whenever you will print age name, always it will give you 10 ISA. But here you print age and name before initializing. Here you will get 0 and null before initializing. After initializing, how you will segregate? Which age is getting initialized? What is the value of age 1? If both having same variable name. So problem will come when both having same variable name. And in program, in a framework, scenario will be like that only. Constructor parameters variable name and class variable name, both will be same. And that's why we are seeing initializing the class age and name with constructor age and name. Okay, that is the real scenario. That is the real uses. So here, till now I taught you to understand. Okay, I have given different name, age 1, name 1. It's okay. Age 1, name 1 means constructor value. Easily we can identify. Whenever you will write age name, we can understand, oh, this is a class variable age name. Age 1, name 1 means, oh, it is a constructor variable age 1, name 1. But whenever I will write age and name, always it will give you constructor value. It will print constructor value. It will not print this value if both variable having same name. Now here to type age name and here you write before initializing. Before initializing. Here you see. This is after initializing. This is constructor variable. Constructor variable. See the program here. Don't get confused. See here, before initializing, let me make it more readable. Class variable. Class variable. Age and name. Now you can compile and execute. See here. Here, how much you are getting? 0 and null. Study 0 and null. Why? Because I have written age equal to age, name equal to name. See here, age equal to age. So right side value, if you see age equal to 0, 0 is getting assigned to age again. Name equal to null, null will get assigned to name. Right? So here, if you write, if you want to segregate, you should give different variable name. Then, okay, age 1 means this one. 10 will get assigned to this class variable age. Name 1 means Isha. Isha will get assigned to name. Problem will come when both variable, constructor variable and this one, class variable have same name. That will be the practical examples in automation development framework. So tell me, what is the doubt here? Now you can ask doubt. You are open to ask. Tell me.
Can you please remove that age 1 and give age and compile and show the result ones? You said it will.
So if you write here age and here you write name, right?
Yeah, and the parameters. If you said if we are passing the same.
If you write age and name here. First of all, you should comment this line because you are writing age, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
So each and every time, here what output you will get now? Everywhere you will get 10 ISA, everywhere. Here also 10 ISA. Here also 10 ISA. Here also 10 ISA. Now where is your class? I want to print age 0 and name null. Here, inside this constructor. 0 and null I want to print. Are you able to print? No, never. See, 10 ISA, 10 ISA. Only in method 0 null is there. But here, are you able to print 0 null? because both variable are same. Whenever you will write age name, so it will take the nearest variable from here and construct. This is local to this person. This will
Okay.
get printed. Age and name, first priority will give to this age and name because this is parameter. Inside parameter, if you are writing age and name anywhere, anytime, first preference will go to this constructor variable age name, not this class variable age name.
So
Both
that
are same.
means, so that
Yeah.
means here the class variable is not getting set.
Yeah, it is not getting set. It
Okay.
is getting set, but both having this, it is
No.
taking the nearest one.
Okay.
We are not
Yeah.
able to
So
segregate. We are not able to differentiate whether this age belongs to person or this age belongs.
okay.
10 Isa is the value of constructor or class variable age name. If you understood the concept, yes, first preference will go to local. So I am here, whatever age name value is coming, this is only with constructor parameter age and name. 10 Isa. We are not getting zero and null, right?
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah. So I got it. So the scope will be always for the, I think the local. So it is not setting into the class parameter. So if we
Yeah,
are
first
trying to,
preference if both have
yeah.
same name. See,
Okay.
if both
Yeah.
have same name, first preference will go to the nearest. Leave even now local and global. First
Okay.
preference will go to the nearest one. So
Okay.
from here, which one is the nearest agent name? From in this scope, in this context, age and name, which one is the nearest age and name variable? This or this?
The constructor one.
Constructor one. So age and name. So always it will print the value of constructor age and name, not this age name. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
I will teach you local variables. There is a separate concept of local variables, but general understanding also, whenever the class variable name is also same constructor variable. So as you are using constructor, right? Let's say you and your friend, they are very much close, both having same name, right? But you are called, yeah, both having same name, and you are having 100 rupees. Your friend does not have 100 rupees. First, you will be giving the priority, not the friend who is having same name and doesn't have money. The name which is having money, first priority to will get that one. Then second priority to that guy who is not having money. But if both having 100 rupees, both having same name, then who will reach first? He will have priority. Correct, na? If you want to buy some item, you have 100 rupees, I have also 100 rupees to buy an item. So shopkeeper will give to whom first? Who will reach first? First in, first out, right? So
Yes.
here constructor, this age and name is first priority. Then age and name second priority. Because in this boundary only I am using this. Now here if I will write, let's say here, this method I am writing it here. Here I am printing this age and name. Right. Definitely from here age and name, which one will be called first? This one, right? Not this one. Correct? No. And inside this, if I will write int age equal to 30, string name equal to 99. Sorry. Hello. So if I will print here age name, which age name will be printed first? Inside a method, see class variable is also age name. Method variable also age and name. So if I will write age and name here, which one will be called first? This age name
Variable.
or this age name?
Yeah, the variable from the function.
Yeah, this is because first from here, which one is the nearest one? This one, right?
Yeah.
Right. So he came first. This age name come first because I didn't teach you local. You can understand like that. First priority will be given to this nearest context. Then if here it is not present, let's say here it is not present, first it will check. A study method will check age name is there inside me or not. No. Then go to class level. Okay, age name is here. Okay, print this. Getting?
Yeah.
Guys, did you people understand? Not understand? Please ask. Now this is the time to ask. See here. Okay, I have not study method. Okay, anyway, first constructor will get executed. And then study method is 0 and null. And you see that? Study method 0 null. Study method age equal to 0. Name equal to null. And constructor age name. Whatever it's coming. 10 and Isha. Top. So 10 is every time you write here inside constructor age and name, 10 Isha, 10 Isha, 10 Isha will be printed. So you will feel better comfortable when both variable have different name. Then it's easy to print. Right? You okay, age one means okay, constructor parameter. Age means class variable. Okay?
Yeah.
Or not okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Understood or not? Other everyone, please ask question. If let's say 2, 3 understood. Now at least you people understand this first. Then go to the uses. Real use. When real use will come in the picture, that time your mind will be lost. Now you ask whether this type, these things you understood or not. Are you able to get the difference between constructor variable and class variable or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand or not? Tell me first.
Yes, sir.
I don't know you people understood or not. I am not satisfied. I don't know how much you people are satisfied, but I am not satisfied. I am not getting a yes from everyone. And people will leave the class after 5 minutes.
You understand?
So, yeah. Sujata, did you understand? Sujata? Narasimha? Yeah, all are about to. Boni?
Yes, sir. I understood. Thanks.
Jegan? Krishna?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Govind?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Anchal? Anchal?
Yes,
Shaish?
sir.
Yeah. Shaishan? What is
Yeah.
that?
Yes. I got it.
Fine. I didn't ask some. I asked some name, but they are on mute. They are doing something. Shruti? Did you understand?
Yes, got it. Yes.
Prashanti?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. If not understood, you should keep on digging. You should interrupt me. Yes, definitely your question is correct. Like, what is the real use? Real use we cannot understand, but yes, I can tell you the uses. What is the use of constructor? But real use you can understand by imagine now. Later, practically, you will see. Now, in interview, they will ask you, tell me some overloaded constructor examples in your framework. So yeah, we have lot of overloaded constructor. How you use constructor in your program, in your framework, how you have used. So you can initialize your web driver through constructor. You can pass some element through constructor. different set of elements, web elements you can pass, different file path you can pass. But before that, you should understand how to read file, how to read different type of file, how to iterate over rows, how to iterate over columns. Then only, na. So Java I will teach. But Selenium, you can understand, you can feel, you can be very much confident. The way I taught Java, same way I will teach Selenium. I will link all this concept there. If you are feeling like Java, you will do it here, and Selenium you can do. No, you will have a lot of difficulties there. Because now you are following one path. I am setting your mind in one OOPS concept. Same thing you should feel in Selenium. So for that, I must be there to make you feel like, hey, I taught you interface. Now see, this is the use application of interface, how I am using, how you are using this, how this Selenium interface and classes is getting used here, or REST assured classes interfaces are getting used here, how it's returning the data, what is the returning type, when you can assign some logical Boolean values, how can you validate true and false based on your OOPS concept. So all that time your mind will be completely open. Oh, ho, ho. This is the real use. Whatever I learned, really it is going to work now. Then you can start feeling the tools. Okay, so please do practice. I didn't teach that much, but yes, how much I taught, that will be more for you to understand the concept. Now the next scenario will, what will happen if class variable name and constructor variable name or method variable name having same name? Let's say method will also having same variable name, constructor will also having same variable name, and class variable also having same variable name. In that case, how I will segregate, how I can differentiate? So that we will learn on Monday. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That we'll learn on Monday, because same day if I'll teach, then your mind will mess up. So next topic will be this keyword. This will help you to differentiate between the nearest context, outside context, outside the context. They will ask, what is this? In interview, what is this? If you are beginners in Java, they will ask, what is this? Don't think like they are asking different thing. What is this? Means this is a keyword in Java. Like what? It is having so many meanings. It is also a reference variable. It will come in the picture. So first learn this, and we'll see this all uses. Okay. So guys, I don't know what I should share it here, but in class I will not get the option. That is a very challenging for me. In class I will not get option for attach file. See attachment. But once you will end up the class, I will get the attachment option. Okay. So after class, I will be sharing the program. Yesterday, you all received the program.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yesterday
sir.
we received on WhatsApp.
Oh, I don't know how they are giving access. So same way, even don't worry, I will try to share. You all can put your mail ID here. You all can put your mail ID here. Okay. And same way as I am attaching, I will attach these programs to this chat, and you people can put your mail ID here in the chat box. I will try to keep record of this one. If they want to give access, I will tell them, please give access to whoever you want, you feel. Yeah. Fine, guys. And after 5 minutes, I will be sharing the program to you all of you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Wish you all happy weekends. Enjoy. Sometimes little screw is also required. Please practice, and theory, do not ignore the theory. In program also, whatever comments I am writing, that is a theory notes. Please don't ignore that. That is one scenario. Like here, I am writing these comments and all. These all are a scenario. Okay, these all are scenarios, comments, whatever I am writing. So please practice, and I will sharing this. Don't worry. In 2-3 minutes, I will say. Okay, guys. Then bye, everyone. Enjoy your leaves.
Thank you, sir. Cheers,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank
Have a
you.
great weekend.
Please practice. Don't be panic. Please keep on practice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.